Somebody one year asked us the silly question on why do you do it? Well, that's quite a simple answer. It's because you can. Woo! Happy 4th of July!
Oh, it's a parade, Glacier View style. America!
4th of July, it's an F day here. Freedom, family, faith, good food, and fun.
We salute our veterans.
Well, thank you very much. Yeah, you would think the parade like this would be the main event. But
Okay, there you go.
I think really everybody comes to see
That cliff up there.
The cliff behind you,
It's in neutral.
300 feet above
The
you.
crowd is ready.
This is the throttle.
So just give me a
9,
countdown and
8,
we're ready.
7, 6, 5,
Best thing in the world.
4, 3, 2, 1.
And like we like to say, there's more to do in Glacier View. That baby's got to go.
They launched the car off the cliff.
Here she comes, boys.
That was awesome.
Not bad.
Gravity always wins.
It just went right down, and you can see right down there where it nosed in.
Wow.
That was crazy.
Dude, that one sailed. That one was cruising. Yeah!
So cool watching it come over.
There she goes.
Our first one was in 2005. Somebody said you can't do that, and we don't do well with camps.
We had a car that hit a moose. It was totaled and no good to drive on the road, so how else to get rid of it? Do it during 4th of July.
I think it scared the baby.
This is the ramp right here. She's gonna be running. Hopefully she'll go true and straight. Make us proud.
A lot of preparation and all the glass is removed. We pull the antifreeze out. Well, do we put them in the river? Well, of course not. It's all our own property. So everything's good. Yep, clean it up after we make a mess.
The best!
Oh man, that was amazing. That was great.
It's a rodeo with metal.
Any little kid's dream is to roll a rock down a hill, so this is times 10.
Okay, about 1 minute, minute and a half. We'll have the next one coming down the pipe.
Okay, we're ready to go here.
We're here to have a good time on 4th of July.
And one failure.
This is good. 3 out of 4 is really good. We're really happy with it. Every year we try and get 100%, but it's not a bad thing when one of them doesn't make it and everybody comes away safe and we all have fun. It was a good day. It was a big win for the 4th. Happy 4th of July!